Hey everyone, welcome back. Normally, ChatGPT answers from what it learned during training, which means it can be months out of date, and it can't tell you today's news, today's prices, or today's scores. ChatGPT Search fixes that. It goes out to the live web, reads real pages, and shows you the sources it used. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it on and use it on Android. Let's get into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and tap the app to open it. When ChatGPT opens on a new chat, look just above the message box. There are 3 shortcuts sitting there: create an image, write or edit, and search the web. The last one is the one we want, because it's what forces ChatGPT to go out to the live internet, instead of answering from what it memorized months ago. So go ahead and tap Search the Web. Now look inside the message box. There's a blue web search tag sitting there. That's the trick. Now type your question like normal. I'm asking, what is the current price of gold? That's something ChatGPT could never answer on its own, because the number changes every single minute. Now tap the send button and give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds while it actually searches, and look at the answer. It starts with, as of August the 7th, 2026, so it's using today's date, and it gives the live price per ounce, per gram, and per kilogram. See the blue web search tag on my message too, that confirms it searched instead of guessing. Now here's the part that makes this trustworthy. Look at the little Reuters chip inside the answer, and the Sources button underneath it. Tap Sources, and a panel slides up listing the actual pages it read, with the headline, the site name, and how long ago it was published. You can tap any of them to go and read the full article yourself. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT on a new chat, tap Search the Web above the message box, and check the blue web search tag appears. Then type your question and send it as normal. You'll get a dated answer built from live pages and a Sources button, so you can check exactly where every number came from. Use it for prices, news, scores, opening times, anything that changes. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.